Happy Wednesday, fifth graders. So for this morning, you can stop into the Google Meet and ask me questions about today's problem or just talk. Remember, those Google Meets are optional, just a way for us to connect and see each other. For today, I'm splitting it up. I think next week we'll have it all together as kind of an office hours kind of thing. Anyway, today you're doing lesson 4.1. It's kind of a cool problem. And as you can see, there's only 4 investigations in this book. And so we're going to explore this lesson today. And so we're looking to come up with equivalent expressions. So expressions that show the situations. We've been working on that. So it says one of the most popular rides at Wild World is skydive. Not one of my favorite kind of rides. Riders are lifted in a car 250 feet in the air. When the car is released, it falls back to the ground. It reaches a speed near 50 miles per hour. The rider's seats are around a tower that looks like a stack of cubes made from steel pieces. Each face of the skydive tower looks like a ladder of squares. So, your trivia question of the day is going to be, what Valley Fair ride is the same ride, basically? The answer is Power Tower, but I'm going to let you put that into the video of the day question. All right, so questions are, how many steel pieces would we need to build each of these figures? And so you can see we can have a ladder. And if you were to count up that ladder, well, if you just had one box of the ladder, right here, you would need 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. If you had 2 pieces to the ladder, you need 5, 6, 7. Okay, so for part A, this is all about the ladder. Okay, so we know that there would be 7 pieces for 2. Now, notice this goes up 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, then 4 to 5, and then it skips 5, and it skips 10. And then you're asked for part 2, what would it be if you wanted to have n squares on your ladder? So what would an equation be to make that happen? All right, then if you had a tower, which is more like a 3-dimensional shape, how many steel pieces would you need to make that tower? And so here, this first one, you'd need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And in the back, you'd have 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So if I was to make that cube, which you can't see the back of that cube, right? It's, I'll change colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. All right, so 12, and that's why there's 12. So if there was 2, how many would you need? And same pattern, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 10, up to 20, and then n cubes. Okay, what would the equation be? So those are the main questions today. How many steel pieces would you need for n squares or n cubes? And see if you can develop equations to meet this. All right, have a great day.